Hello, good morning everyone. Today let's continue to study the exponential Fourier series, example 6. A square wave signal is given by this one. And then find the Fourier series expansion of the signal. Okay, this is the exponential Fourier series. So to do this, to do the Fourier series expansion, you will have a formula. So this formula is in the slide, or I can just write it down here. So this is the formula xn equal to 1 over t naught, and then xt is the signal given in the question, and then this is the formula. Alright, so this is the formula to find the Fourier series expansion. Okay, 1 over t naught, you just substitute the value. Okay, xt in this example, xt, if you look at here, xt is 0 to t naught over 2 is v. So 0 to t naught over 2, and the amplitude is v, and then you copy back the exponential part. Okay. I just want to let you know that omega naught is equal to 2 pi over t naught. So since in your formula you do have 2 pi over t naught, right? So I just easily substitute it into the omega naught instead of just 2 pi over t naught. That is quite long. So I substitute it to omega naught. Okay, so I have minus omega naught nt dt plus 1 over t naught is the negative v is from t naught over 2 to t naught. So I have t naught over 2 to t naught, and then the amplitude is minus b, and the exponential minus j omega naught nt. Okay, dt. So since v is a constant, so I have a v over t naught from 0 t naught over 2, and then I copy down the exponential part, minus with v over t naught from t naught over 2 to t naught, and then I perform the integration. Okay, integrate the exponential. So I got exponential minus j omega naught nt over minus j omega naught n. Okay, so I have minus j omega naught n for this one. And then minus with the second part, also the same. Okay, so I substitute the value. Okay, I substitute the value. Let's substitute this part. So you know that omega naught is 2 pi over t naught, right? So I substitute these whole things. So 2 pi over t naught, 2 pi over t naught, and then with t, the t is substituted with t naught over 2, so I got pi only. And then for this part, I have 2 pi over t naught, then so t naught I have equal to 2 pi. So that is equivalent to v over minus j minus j 2 pi n. Okay, and then this one is exponential minus j pi n. Okay, because we already solved it there. And then minus j minus exponent minus with j0 minus with the second part exponent minus j 2 pi n plus, because it's minus minus you get plus with the exponent minus j pi n. So this is equivalent to v minus j 2 pi n. Okay, so you have this one and this one, so you have 2 exponent minus j 2 minus j pi n, and then this one is exponent 0 minus, oops, sorry, this one is supposed to be this one. So you have minus j 2 pi n. Alright, so you have this one, these whole things, and then you can test what is the value for the n. Okay, let's test for exponent minus j 2 pi n. So exponent minus j 2 pi n equivalent to cos 2 pi n plus j sine 2 pi n. So j 2 pi n you always get 0, and then cos 2 pi n you will get 1. Okay, and then you test again for 2 exponent minus j pi n. So you get 2 cos pi n. Exponent you can change to the cos plus sign. Okay, 2 cos pi n plus 2j sine pi n. Do you remember the exponent plus minus j theta equal to cos theta plus minus j sine theta? So this apply to here. Okay, so then you have the cos pi n. So if you follow okay, wait. Okay, next I just show you the n 2 minus 1 power of n. So if you n equal to 1, what is the value? So this side is always equal to 0. Just this part. Okay. So when n equal to 1, cos 2 cos pi n. So 2 cos pi n actually is equivalent to negative 1 power of n. Okay, so if you have 2 cos pi n, you must substitute the value of n equal to 1, so you get minus 2. When n equal to 2, you get 2. When n equal to 3, you get negative 2. And when n equal to 4, you get 2 again. So all the even and odd has the value. So I simplify here. When odd value is v over minus j 2 pi n. So this one is continue from the, this one is continue from here, okay? Continue from here. So you have negative 2 minus 1. Minus 1 is for the this one is exponent 0 is 1, so it's minus 1 minus with 1 again for the exponent minus j2 pi n. So this is equivalent to negative 4 volt over negative j2 pi n, and this equivalent to j2 volt to j2v over negative pi n. And for the even signals, there is a v over negative j2 pi n. And then for the even, you get 2. So you get 2 minus 1 minus 1. This is equivalent to 0. Okay? So this means that the X Fourier series expansion, the xn, is equal to minus j2v over pi n equal to 2v over pi n degree with 90 degree when n is equal to odd. Okay, do you know why it's 90? Okay, if you look at here, so this is the imaginary part, right? This is the imaginary. And this is the real. Okay? So negative 90 is, it refer to minus j. Okay? Minus j is equal to negative 90. So here, negative j is equal to negative 90. And then you get 0 for n equal to even. I have some mistake here. This is not 2. This is square. This is square. Okay. How to get the square here is like if you have 1 over j, that is equivalent to minus j. So this part is 1 over j, right? So 1 over j is equal to minus j. So therefore is minus j square. Therefore is minus j square. Because you have let me see. So you have v over negative j. Again, you have negative and then v. Oops, I think it's my mistake again. So nothing to do with this one. Nothing to do. Actually, this one is copied down. So this one is wrong. Yeah, just now is what I wrote is correct, because this one, the xn is from the, this one is from the even, this one. So I have to, what I thought is a square. Okay, this one is correct. Alright, next is to express the exponential, express in the exponential form. So xt you convert, xn you express in the exponential form. So there's again a formula. Xn exponent j omega naught nt. So when you substitute the value of xn, you have n equal to minus infinity to infinity, and n equal to odd, because only odd you have the value for yes, only you have odd value. So the xn is equivalent to 2 volt over n pi, which is you found the answer just now. Alright, and then you have the exponential minus j, because it's pi over 2 because it's minus 90, what I should say is the phase is minus 90, so it's minus j pi over 2, and then exponent j omega not nt. Okay, so this part is transfer to here. So you have this kind of you can, so you express into a exponential form. All right. Okay, do you understand? Hope you can practice and understand what you have learned today. Thank you for watching class. See you again.